Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Inferno Sac in Monster Hunter World. Inferno Sac is a high-rank monster material. It drops from certain monsters and their variants. Rathalos and Azure Rathalos with an obtain rate of 18%. Radiant and Pink Radiant at 18%. And Janath at 18%. And from Lavasioth at 14%. The most efficient method is running multi-hunt quests that include these monsters. Good examples are quests like A Royal Pain or King's Know No Fear, since you can roll multiple chances in one hunt. Break monster parts and capture instead of killing whenever possible. Capture and silver and gold investigation rewards can add extra drop chances per quest. And that's how to get Inferno Sac in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.